Say ah. Tell them how. Show them how you sing, Destiny. Ah. No. Destiny, who taught you how to sing like that? No, she was singing like a female. Say ah. You gonna be in the church choir? You gonna be a singer? And a dancer. Say ah. Sing it long. Ah. Do it long. Ah. But you see how she move her head like she is too smart because she see me doing that.